Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to a new episode of my Meghalaya series. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I am near this place called Shnopedeng in Meghalaya, which is near Dawki. Dawki is known for its very clear water. Just look from above the bridge or anywhere, you can see even the fishes which are there in the river. But alas, bad luck, it's monsoons in Meghalaya and it's never perfect. So we don't really get to see that clear water, but what we do get to enjoy is the monsoons of Meghalaya. It's been raining since 8 o'clock last evening and since then it's not stopped. But what it has done is it has just enhanced the greenery around and it has made this place a scenic beauty, an absolute scenic beauty. Just have a look. So right now I'm at this amazing place in Shnopedeng. What do you call it?
Shnopedeng.
Shnopedeng. And monsoon is one of the best times to come here if you want to see lush greenery and clear landscapes.
Itu
Yeah.
Singkrem. I'm a local person over here only. I stay in Shillong. But like we have like in Shillong a lot of places that is unexplored. Like if you like to do for camping and all. So like we have over this side also. Like over this side, you can see they connect to so many places, villages, and this water they connect with the mountains and the waterfalls.
Okay.
Even this side also. There's a bridge, another one. They want also connect to the next villages.
Oh, amazing. So there are quite a few unexplored places here that you won't find on your tourist map, but what you can do is you can come down here and you can connect with D2 and he can show you all these places around. So what are you waiting for? Just pack your bags and come down here.
Trekking, you know, just wait for the 2-3 days back food, you know. You can see on top of that, you can see the waterfalls and all. Because I came those side.
This place used to be very clear. So what is the best time to come to this place?
During winter season.
Okay.
During from the after July.
Okay.
Like after July you can see the clarity of the water. And if you like for the fishing, you come for the fishing. On the month of August you will get lot of fishes over here.
Okay.
Many type of fishes. And you can stay over here.
On camp
Yeah,
here,
camping.
Right?
Just like camping, like just to get like a cottage.
Okay.
Like we have resort.
Amazing.
River other side, it is Khasi Hills, and this side is all Jantia Hills. West Jantia Hills.
Wow. मैं अभी फ़िलहाल हूँ वासबा वाटरफॉल्स के व्यू पॉइंट में। ये एक 100 फुट से भी ज़्यादा वाटर ड्रॉप फॉल है जो आप शिलोंग अगर से सोहरा अगर आऊँ या चेरापूंजी अगर आऊँ तो उससे एकदम पहले पड़ेगा। There's a entry of around 100 rupees if you want to go towards the waterfalls. That is अगर आप वाटरफॉल के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट तक जाना चाहते हो, वहाँ पे अगर ट्रैक करना चाहते हो, it's a 15-20 minutes walk. You can do that. And you're gonna find a very nice viewpoint out there. But इससे भी ज़्यादा अगर आपको सिर्फ एक नज़ारा देखना है, सिर्फ वाटरफॉल का नहीं मगर इसके आसपास के वैलीज़ का, तो वो सब व्यू पॉइंट आउट है। 30 रुपये करके टिकट है एंट्री और आप जाके यहाँ पे कमाल के नज़ारे देख सकते हो, कमाल के।